Hi, I'm Caitlin from the Gwinnett County Public Library. I'm here to let you know about a few things you should include in your first home's first aid kit. I moved out on my own several years ago, but I am still realizing that I do not have all the first aid things that I needed. I just didn't think about it. Since I was going through this, I figured there'd be plenty of other people in the same boat. So I did my own research, and with my own experience, I came up with a small list of first aid items to keep in your home so you're ready for any unexpected injury or illness. You can get all of these things with the off-brand for just under $30. The first item is Hydrocortisone Cream. This is great for mosquito bites or other insect bites that might itch, or even poison ivy. The second is Antibiotic Ointment. This is great to put on over any cuts or minor abrasions you have, just to keep it from getting infected and keep the wound clean. Band-Aids are also great for keeping your injuries clean and unaffected by outside environment factors. They'll cover your wound and allow it to heal in a clean environment, especially after applying some of the antibiotic ointment. I've included Benadryl because everyone deals with allergies, and it can be pretty unexpected, so it's always good to have some allergy medicine on hand. I also have a thermometer here. These are good to have on hand so you can always know for sure when you have a fever or not. If you're feeling unwell, just always check and make sure so you don't make other people sick. This one also has a case so it keeps it clean in between uses. I also have hydrogen peroxide. This is great for cleaning out injuries, especially if you scraped your elbow or something that might still have some dirt or germs inside it. It's great to clean it out using this before you put on your bandage. One more thing to keep on hand is a set of tweezers to make sure that you're able to clean out wounds if maybe you even have a splinter or something like that. During my research, I came across a Red Cross article that was very thorough and had great explanations for every item they included in a potential first aid kit. They were much more thorough than I was in this program, so if you're interested in learning more, I'll include the link below. The library also has several resources that I'd like to point you towards. I'll include the links below. The first is our library catalog. It's keyword searchable, so you can search for health or first aid, and we have several different resources and books that will come up for you to research. We also have GCPL guides. We also have one on health resources in your local area. This is a great place to find reliable health information and resources that you could use. One of the best features included in this health resources guide is medlineplus.gov. This is a great database to learn about any generic health information topic or to research into one topic further. And if you're having any trouble navigating these resources, come into any of our branches and let a staff member know, and we'll guide you through the process. Thanks for joining me as I share a little bit of what I've learned. I hope this information helps you as you take your next step. Moving out on your own is an amazing step. Just don't forget, your first home will need a first aid kit.